All right, so I just cracked the code for the easiest way to make money online in 2024, and nobody is talking about it. Just in the last 30 days, I made over $4,300 in profits, and I did this without investing a single dollar. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Let's get into it. Now, I know your time is extremely valuable, so we're not gonna waste it talking about ways to make money online that you're already familiar with, or ways that cost a ton of money and a ton of time to get up off the ground and running. Instead, we're gonna focus on a strategy that requires no upfront capital, that requires little time commitment, and that has 100% success rate. And no, we're not going to be talking about Shopify dropshipping, Amazon FBA, affiliate marketing, SMMA, or making money with crypto, the stock market, or real estate. Instead, we're going to be focusing on reviewing Amazon products. What you can do is, from the comfort of your home, you take your phone, you grab an Amazon product that is bought on Amazon. So if it's sold on Amazon, you can review it, and you make a 30, 60, 2-minute long video talking about your experience with the product. You take this video, you upload it to Amazon, and if somebody watches that video and buys the product, you get a commission. And just in the last 30 days, I've made over $4,300 doing this exact model. Absolutely insane. I'm doing anywhere from $100 to $200 to $300 per day reviewing Amazon products. And again, I did not spend any money on inventory, no money on advertising. I did not upload these videos to social media and pray that they go viral. I'm leveraging Amazon's massive customer base and uploading videos of products that I already own. And when somebody watches it, I get a commission. So let's come to Amazon, and let's just say I'm buying an acoustic guitar. So let's say you are the shopper and you're going through and you're looking to buy a guitar. This is how customers think. So they search for the keyword and they're like, okay, this one's the best seller. We see the reviews, we got the price, and then we've got this one is the overall pick. It's a pretty good price point, so I'm gonna click on this. They're like, okay, I think I like this. They look at the images, they look at the reviews, and they see the different colors, and then they see the videos. And they're like, oh, I'm gonna see kind of the videos and see what it's all about. They click on this, and this is a video from the actual seller, but then right below it, there is related videos. And this is where our videos show up. And if somebody watches it, so right here is a video of me, and if somebody watches this, then buys the product, I get a commission. So that is one place that these videos are shown. And if you scroll down, you'll see right here, there's other videos for this product. And again, here's my video, and here's another video. And if somebody clicks on this and watches the video and then buys the product, I get a commission. And that is how I'm making every single day, anywhere from $100, $200, $300 per day. It's fail-proof, no capital up front. It is the easiest thing that I've ever seen. And it is something that everybody should be taking advantage of right this second. So to start making money reviewing Amazon products, the next step is to create what's called an Amazon influencer account. Without this account, you can't upload the videos and make those daily commissions that I was showing you earlier. So this is a very important part to the process. Now, before you think, oh, this is too good to be true, I can't do this because I'm not an influencer, that is not the case. I see so many people give up on this opportunity because they get scared of the term influencer, yet Amazon influencers are not your typical influencer. I don't even know why they call it the influencer program, but that's just what it's called, so get over it. Go to Google and type in Amazon influencer program. You're gonna click on that first link and you're gonna click sign up. There are 2 parts to this process, and these are very important. If you do this wrong, you cannot make money, so please listen carefully. Click sign up. From there, you're going to either connect your existing account, or you can create a new one from scratch. It does not matter. Then from there, you're going to link one of your social media accounts. It has to be a public social media, and you do not need to have tens of thousands of followers to connect and be eligible. This is just Amazon's way of going in and verifying and making sure that you are a real human being, and that you are who you say you are. Amazon doesn't want just tens of thousands of random people that have no idea what they're talking about, don't even speak English, reviewing products on their platform. So this is just their way to vet out those individuals. And for the most part, every single person can get approved if you go through the steps. So use your Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook, whatever account where you have the most engagement and the most followers. You'll use that, and then from there, you will be either eligible or not. If you're not, then there are some things to work on, and we have some resources down below that you can actually watch to help with that process. But if you are eligible, then that's part 1 checked off. Part 2, and this is where I see 99% of people do things wrong. And this is where you need to get what's called on-site placement. this is what allows you to get on-site commissions. Or in other words, this is what allows you to get your videos to show up on the product listings just like this. If you don't have this, then you can't make commissions. So to get on-site placement, you have to upload 3 videos. And this is where it's very important to read all of the rules of what you can and can't do. If you do this wrong, again, Amazon is going to watch the videos and they will say, nope, you're not approved. And this is where it gets a little scary, but I don't want to stress you out too much, but you do have only 3 chances at this. You have 3 attempts. And if you don't do this right, then you cannot get on-site placement, or in other words, you can't make money. So you have to upload 3 videos that meet Amazon's criteria. Again, you have to read the do's and don'ts of what you can and can't say. You upload these videos, and if they check off, then you get a little confetti banner that says, hey, you're approved. You've got on-site placements. Good job. And then from there, you can start reviewing as many products as you want. I have close to 1,000 reviews, and that is where I am making $100 to $300 per day. So again, there's 2 parts to the process. If you struggle with one of the 2 parts, we have some resources down below. We have a case study where we can show you how we have gotten every single person approved for this process. So click the link down below. We'll take you through the entire process. But again, take advantage of the Amazon Influencer Program. Don't worry about the term influencer. Don't worry about making these video reviews. They don't have to be professional. They don't have to be perfect. They just have to explain what the product is. And as you go and watch these related videos, you'll see that they're just very basic, simple videos that people film with their phone. And again, this is by far the easiest way that requires no capital, very minimal time. I'm spending less than a couple hours per week doing this, and I'm making insane profits. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's free products, there's brand deals, there's tons of other opportunities that come from being an Amazon influencer. So go get that first part done, and then I'm going to be releasing more and more videos talking about this process. And again, if you're interested in learning more, we have some links down below that go over the entire A to Z process. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, like the video, subscribe, drop a comment, and we will see you in the next video.